In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Whop to Discord. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account in your browser. Once you're signed in, head over to your Whop home dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in, where you can view your memberships, products, and settings. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. On your home dashboard, look for the small gear icon. This gear usually represents settings. It's often found near your profile picture, username, or in a sidebar. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings. This is where you'll manage things like your profile, notifications, and connected services. Inside the settings area, find and click on the option labeled Connected Accounts. This section is specifically designed for linking external platforms to Whop. Connecting your accounts here helps automate access, so you don't have to manually manage memberships and permissions later. Once you're on the Connected Accounts page, look for Discord in the list of available platforms. When you see Discord, click on the Add button next to it. This tells Whop that you want to link your Discord account so it can handle things like server access based on your memberships. After you click Add, you'll be redirected to a Discord login or authorization page. If you're not already logged into Discord in your browser, you'll see fields asking for your email or phone number and your password. Click into the email or phone number field and type in the details associated with your Discord account. Take your time here and make sure there are no typos, as this is a common reason logins fail. Next, move down to the password field and carefully enter your Discord password. Be sure you're typing this information in a private, secure place and that you're on the official Discord website before entering any credentials. Once both your email or phone number and your password are filled in correctly, click on the Login button. Discord will then authenticate your account. If prompted, review any permissions that Whop is requesting, such as access to your account information or server membership, and click to authorize or approve. After this, you'll be redirected back to Whop, and your Discord account should now be successfully connected. From here, Whop can automatically grant or remove Discord roles